Good afternoon, students and parents of the Carroll community. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video about the options that we have for reentry. My name is Mr. Medina. I am the principal of Carroll Elementary, and I am excited to share this information. We're going to go ahead and start off by where you can access this information. If you go to the aldinisd.org webpage, it's right here. We have our different resources, but the resource that I want you to highlight is the Return to Learn link, Return to Learn. We're going to go ahead and click that one. Once you enter the Return to Learn link, we have our Return to Learn plan. It outlines the core beliefs related to reopening Aldine ISD. Click here to learn more. It still continues to state the date that we will start, August 17th, first day of school. Families will have two options of how your student can learn. We will have the learning on campus model and the learning at home model. Remember that both designs will allow Aldine ISD students to have the same curriculum, the same grading policies, SPED and intervention supports, assessments that will be online this fall, staffing ratios. All Aldine ISD students will still have access to meals, UIL activities, and transportation services, if eligible. If you scroll a little bit down, we have a video of one of my colleagues explaining the both of the models, whether it be the at-home learning model or the one that takes place on campus. Right here it says, please select one of the two learning models for your child. The commitment form is available July 13th through the 19th. Please have your student's ID and other information available. Once you're ready, you're going to click this button right here, choose an option. On this form, it's just a reminder, this form is to be completed for students currently enrolled in Aldine ISD. Once you scroll down, it's going to ask for a couple of information. Right here, you're going to put the student's ID number, you're going to put the student's first name, the student's last name, and then the date of birth. Once you're complete with those four areas, you're going to go ahead and click Continue. On the next screen, you're going to go ahead and put whether your student is going to learn at home or learn on campus. It's also going to ask you about a computer device. If your student has one at home, you're going to click Yes or No. And at the very end, you're going to click the button Submit. Thank you so much for watching this video and making the best decision for your child. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you so much.